Hi, my name's Kayla, and I'm going to be giving you an introduction and talking about required gear for a campsite. So, before you reserve a campsite, you need to talk with your council in your state about fire regulations and burn bans in your area. And you can always make accommodations for all the girls who have disabilities and any girl of any priority. Some necessary items for a campfire would be pots and pans, portable water, a source of refrigeration like a cooler, a fuel source, firefighting equipment such as water, a shovel and rake, hand sanitizer or soap and paper towels, non-breakable dishes, knives, containers to store leftover food, a can opener, and no plastic garments such as nylon, and you have to tie back your hair.
Get this fire started.
You can't have gasoline around a fire.
You can't have your hair down.
Oh man, I'll tie it up now.
Let's get toasty.
You can't have nylon on around a fire.
What? I didn't know that.
This is gonna be so much fun!
Don't run around the fire.
What else would you need? Some things that are recommended are biodegradable dishwashing soap, pot scrubbers, a mess kit with non-breakable plates, bowls, mugs, and cutlery in dunk bag, portable cook stove and fuel, long-handled cooking utensils, sunscreen, lip balm, and sunglasses. You also need a first aid kit.
Hi, I'm Charlotte, here to talk to you about safely using a portable stove. First, make sure you have it set up correctly. Next, you want to make sure that you have all the good cookware that you need to use for cooking food, including hot pads.
Hey, can I borrow that stove? I need to cook something in my tent.
Stop! You cannot use the portable stove inside of your tent. Also, don't use the campfire stove near an open fire. Make sure that it's on a wood or metal surface, no plastic. It could be dangerous. Lastly, make sure that you have a certified troop camp leader nearby whenever you use the stove.
Hi, I'm Sarah, and I'll be talking about safe cooking with an open fire. When building a fire, make sure the fire site is clear of overhanging branches, steep slopes, rotted stumps or logs, dry grass, and leaves. This area would be unsuitable due to the debris on the ground and the tree up here. Over here would be much better since it is clear of debris. Most campsites will have a fire ring already established in where you are camping, so you will not most likely have to make your own. Also, bring your own wood instead of cutting down a tree. And before leaving the site, check to make sure the fire is completely out by sprinkling the fire with water or smothering it with earth or sand, stirring, and then sprinkling or smothering again.
Good.
Hi, Olivia. It's Olivia. When camping, make sure to bring enough food for everyone in your troop. Not too much, but enough for everybody. Keep perishables in an ice chest. The right temperature. Consider pre-cooking your meat. Once you're done eating and cooking, make sure to wash your dishes with the 3-bend method, soap, bleach, and water. Never share dishes, cups, bowls, utensils. Keep your hands clean with hand sanitizer if soap and water are not available. Bring paper towels and toilet paper with you. And keep sharp objects pointed to the ground and no running with them.
and be safe.